The Highway Technician Certification Program is built around quality assurance. This program is having individuals come through to learn the materials part of constructions. There's 4 different sections, from trial batching to air voids to aggregate correction to the super air meter, and it drives all back to the Wisconsin Department of Transportation specifications.
County has provided all the materials for them to be able to take the sand, the cement, the coarse aggregate, and put it all together with the admixtures. Everybody gets to see what they're like tangibly. They get to all make sure they're doing things the exact same way. So by our students coming in here, they get to see a whole different level of what actually really happens in the real world of the contractor side.
I've served as an instructor for the Highway Technician Certification Program for 10 years now. I work very closely as an industry professional with the Department of Transportation to provide education and ultimately to provide good products. In the past, it was not a lab-based course, and it was very, I would say, almost inaccessible. It was a lot of bookwork. When we partnered with County Materials, we were able to show a lab component that was never part of the course before.
I currently have 4 technicians that are underneath me right now that I manage. They go work in the lab, testing the aggregates and concrete samples, and then they'll go around out in the field to the various job sites, making sure that everything meets the specifications, our customers are happy. It's a good program to start with. It teaches you the basics. It makes the early entry people really, get a good foot in the ground, and then, they can build their way up.
County Materials takes pride in local partnerships that empower aspiring professionals in manufacturing and construction. Together, we're building a company that hardworking people are proud to work for, live near, and do business with since 1946.